Alrighty, today we are on site because that's just a logistical nightmare. We have a 993 Coupe in Arena Red with 33,000 original miles. It is as new as you can get, given it's got 33,000 miles, but it is exceptional throughout, and we're going to take it for a road test as we usually do. Okay, so we just started this cold, and we're going to warm it up and do our obligatory flybys. It's really cool. We have not seen a 993 this clean in quite some time. As you can see, being the last of the air-cooled Porsches, it's pretty cool because it still has a Porsche 911 character, but has more amenities and actually air conditioning that actually works, heating that works extremely well. This car has got a dual radar front and rear, our lovely sunroof, and what else can we tell you? We will put it through its paces in a little bit and do the flybys. Okay, see you soon. All right, well, as you can see, it's a 911, 993, 911. We don't really need to go on a racetrack or a curvaceous road. We're just showing you that everything is actually exceptional. Steering, brakes, clutch, gearbox, temperatures, and that's really it. We're going to do some flybys for sure, but as you all well know already, if you're interested in this car, it's pretty cool. They go really well. And let's see, fifth to third, it's got enough giddy up. And yet, you can put in 6th gear and just cruise all day long. Air-conditioned comfort, although even 6 makes it a bit long-legged. So 5th is your typical cruising, and certainly at 60 miles per hour, not 600 miles per hour, but 60 miles per hour. And that's that, kids. We'll be back to you with the flybys.